Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the temperature type in the booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it, and here in this page you should scroll down a little bit, and in the settings and legal section you can just press on the settings option. And here you will find the fourth option, which is temperature. You can just press on it and you can see that by default it is set to degrees in Celsius, but you can also change it to degrees in Fahrenheit. If you want to change it, you can just press on that and you can see that the temperature type has been just changed. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.